In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut keeps crashing. Now first what you want to do is open up CapCut and head over to your projects. Now from in here you want to delete all the projects that you're not using. Now I only have one project, but if you have a lot, what you want to do is simply right click and delete. Now make sure you only delete the ones that you're not using, because we don't want to delete anything important. After that, open up a random project, go to Modify, Performance, turn on proxy and choose 540, details 30 FPS. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is press the exit to come back to the main screen here. Click on this little icon and choose version. Now this will let you check for updates, so just click on this one and take the new update if you have any. After that, come up here and click on settings. In here find cache size and clear the cache by clicking on this trash icon. Now once you've done that, you want to head down to the task manager, open it up and go to processes, find CapCut, click on the drop down, select the first one using the most memory, right click, go to details, and it will automatically select this one. Now right click on this one and set priority and choose high. Now once you've done that, what you can do is come back here and right click on your desktop, display settings, scroll down and find graphic settings, or you can search for graphic settings down here if you're on Windows 11. And in here we want to add CapCut. So press browse, find your CapCut folder by searching for CapCut, right click, open file location, and right click, open file location. Now in here you want to click up here and Control C, come back here, click up here and Control V, press enter and select CapCut. Press add and it will be added here. In here you want to click on it, options, and choose high performance. Now once you've done that, you can close this down, come down here and search for run, type in %temp %. From in here you want to delete all the folders. If this pops up, just press this, press skip, do it again and skip, and just let these be. Then you want to search for run again and delete the percentages, so it just says temp, and press OK. In here you want to delete everything as well. Click on this skip, click on this skip, and just let this one stay. Now after you've done that, what you can do is restart your PC and see if it works. If there's still issue, I suggest you just reinstall CapCut. So simply uninstall it and go reinstall it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.